This morning I want to talk a little bit about BMS system functionality. You know, over the years, the cost of BMS, the cost per point has dropped significantly, and we're seeing many more larger systems. 10, 20, 30,000 point systems are no longer uncommon. Integration into equipment brings more points. More things are being closely monitored and controlled. The issue is, how do we assimilate the volumes of information that our BMS systems can bring to us? I'm going to call that for a second diagnostics. What do diagnostics look like? Well, they can start out with heat maps. Here's an example where each HVAC zone on each floor in this building shows up in a color. If it's green, it means it's ideal within the energy deadband. Warmer colors show up yellow and orange. Cooler zones show up blue. The power of this is, at a glance, I can look at an awful lot of zones in a very large building or campus and identify I have a problem here on this floor. I can also go in and look at the zone history and see what the colors have been over what portion of the time for the last day, or I can pick yesterday or 7 days, or I can look at the whole group of buildings on the group of zones on the first floor. We noticed today's graphics, equipment graphics, contain volumes more information than they used to years ago. A great asset in troubleshooting. Live program logic. You don't see a lot of this, but if there's a problem with the sequence of operation, live program logic in Automated Logic System by Harris allows you to see the various inputs with the live data and see what the outputs are. It makes it very easy and understandable in troubleshooting sequence of operation malfunctions. All points trending, being able to go in and see what's been going on over time. When you can go back and see at 7:30, at 10 o'clock in the morning, when you get a complaint, how things were at 7:30 is a real asset in diagnosing systems. Additionally, there's something new in the industry, introduced by Automated Logic a number of years ago. It's called time lapse. Just take a look.
At Automated Logic, our goal is to help you balance smart and efficient energy use with a comfortable environment. To help achieve that, we've developed a faster and easier way for you to review and maintain your facility's performance. Automated Logic introduces time-lapse, part of our web control building automation system. Time-lapse is an innovative diagnostic tool that works like instant replay for your facility. With the time-lapse feature, it's easy to rewind, review, and resolve building control issues. Roll back hours of historical data in just minutes. Pinpoint the source of any operational problem, then make the necessary system corrections with web control. Here's an example of how easily and effectively time-lapse works. With the calendar control, select how many hours of trend data you want to analyze. Then choose the date you want to review. The exact time of any detected problem will be indicated on the video play bar, and its location will be shown on the colored floor plan graphic. You can drill down to check the status of mechanical or control equipment, review heating or cooling fluctuations, and more. Once identified, you can correct the problem using web control's powerful system capabilities. Rewind, review, and resolve with Automated Logic's time-lapse. For a complete demonstration, contact Automated Logic today.
Or you can contact Harris Integrated Solutions. Another hot topic in the industry is integration. We've seen a lot more of it. Whether it's simply being able to look at a variable frequency drive on a motor, or link into your fire alarm and smoke panel and see what's going on there. This technology of integration puts your buildings and systems operator in front of the critical equipment that they need to investigate. Check the status and the operation of critical backup equipment. Bring your security system video information directly into your BMS system. Integration can bring a plethora of information from major pieces of equipment, which that can all be trended and alarmed in web control. Expand this volume of information to an entire chiller plant, and you may need some help in understanding what's going on. A lot of information. Maybe a dashboard would help. Here's an example of a building performance dashboard. If any of these things that sound of interest, we'd love to hear from you at harrisintegration.com, or send us an email at sales@harrisisi.com. Thank you very much.